Now that our quilt top center is all pieced, we're going to add the borders. And as I mentioned in the last video, it's necessary to measure your quilt top, both for the sides and the top and the bottom, to determine if your border measurements are accurate. So on this particular one, the measurement is actually 64.5, which is what the pattern says. But that might just happen to be luck that I happen to sew those blocks together. So you'd also measure in the center and also over here on the left-hand side, and then you would take an average of those three measurements. And if they turn out to be 64.5, great. If not, use the average because that will square up the quilt. Now, as you saw from the measurement, which was 64.5, we're going to have to piece part of that inner border as the width of fabric is only 42 inches. So in order to do that, we cut our strips at the appropriate width, and then they have these little selvages on the top, so we need to cut those off. And then we're going to use the Creative Grids Quick Trim and Circle Ruler. I don't know if you can see that or not. Quick Trim and Circle Ruler. And the way that works is we put the line here, the white line on the left, and line up this black 1/4 inch line along the top and cut it off like that. And then we flip the piece that's going to get sewn like that and sew it together. And once you've done that, you get a perfect mitered binding piece. The benefit of that is that it makes it look like it's barely there. Once you have your inner borders on, it's necessary to measure the quilt top again for your outer borders. So there it is. The Ring Bling quilt top is all done. The borders are on. Now all that needs to be done is it needs to have batting, a backing, and be quilted and then bound. Subjects for other videos. Beauregard says hello, and he hopes that you've enjoyed the making of the Ring Bling quilt. The pattern is available on our website, and the fabric is Evolution Origins from QT Fabrics. See you soon. Bye-bye.